Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something cozy, hearty and full of flavor. Tomato, beef and enoki mushroom hot pot. This is the perfect dish for chilly weather. And trust me, it warms your heart, your hands and your belly. First up, I've got 2 tomatoes here. Let's scald the bottom with a little eggs. Then pour over some hot water. Let them soak for about 10 minutes. This makes peeling so much easier. While that's happening, let's slice up some green onions. Okay, tomatoes are ready. Peel off the skins. I'm cutting one into bigger chunks and the other into small dices. We will be using them at different stages. Here I've got some enoki mushrooms and a handful of greens. You can really use whatever vegetables you like, totally up to you. And this is thinly sliced beef. All the ingredients and the measurements are written in the description box below. Now let's get cooking. Boil some water in the wok. Drop in the beef. And add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. And so as the color changes, take it out. Don't overcook it or it will get tough. Now heat some oil in the wok. Once it's hot, toss in the diced tomatoes first. Stir fry until they break down into the beautiful saucy paste. Next, add in the green onion. Quick stir. Splash in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that fragrant sizzle. Then add the tomato chunks we cut earlier. Give them a quick toss. Pour in water, enough to make a nice broth. Now add the enoki mushrooms, the greens, and our beef back into the wok. Season with 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of MSG, 2 teaspoons of white pepper, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Let it all simmer for about a minute. Look at that! Piping hot and so inviting. Just imagine placing this right on top of a bowl of fluffy rice. On a cold day, nothing beats it. If you've got one of those portable gas burners or an electric hot plate, you can keep the clay pot right on it so it stays warm the whole time. Now, let me try it for you. The tomatoes give it that tangy kick, and the beef is so tender and flavorful. The mushrooms soak up all that broth. This with rice, you are gonna love it. You have to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.